So ngayon, surprise namin ng birthday boy. Dito kami ngayon sa Blake's. Sama natin si MC and Berber. Lies are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be. Not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side. Wow! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Kumanta ka rin. Happy birthday. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yun o. Wish ka muna. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Dalawa. Yay!
Anong wish mo?
Anong wish mo?
Sana lumaki.
Ito mag-passive or
Meron sa'yo.
Zion na yan o. Chicken.
Bumulong pa eh.
Sabi niya, wala naman chicken.
Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles, oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
Ayos mo ka, Yuli.
Ayos na eh.
Ayos na. Yung naka-kiss, walang ganon? Ah, wala. Conservative. Anong batiin mo kay Ninong Yuli? Ayun na, ayun na.
Bigay mo rin gift.
Guys, bibigyan na natin yung gift.
Bigyan mo tawa ah. Diyan mamaya, baka nagkakata eh.
Video for warranty.
Oh, maganda yan, Ninong Yuli.
Ah, parang alam ko na to.
Nag-expect.
Grabe yung expectation niya, girl. Nakakatawa yung parang alam mo na to.
Brief yan, pre.
Brief
yan.
Oo, sabi niya.
Brief yan.
Oh, small.
Brief yan.
Mouse. Max lang yan, pre.
Oh, check mo muna.
Sabi niya, mouse. Mouse ka.
Ah, muna yung gusto ko mouse.
Ay, tayo gusto niya. Thank you, guys.
Buksan mo na, baka yung...
What if hindi yan yung laman? Wow! Try mga.
Natrabaho ko mamaya.
Hoy!
Kala ko absent ko.
Hello, Flat Project.
Para sumipan. Thank you guys. Hindi ko nagdado.
I-Gcash mo na lang sa amin, ha?
Kasama ko pala sa ati, ay.
Pre, divide by 5 na.